Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of German American Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a germanamerican.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of German American Bank, you can see the login form page at the right panel. Here you need to select the account type, that is online banking or business banking or desktop express. As I'm going with the online banking, then you go in for providing your user ID. Then you provide your password. Here, after you provide both your details, that is your user ID and password, you simply click on sign in, where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of German American Bank. Just in case if you forgot your user ID or password of the online banking of German American Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID or password. Then you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your user ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of German American Bank. Thank you.